Hi, Christy. How are you?
Your eyes are so incredibly soulful and expressive, and I thought you'd be perfect for this trend I call the monochromatic eye.
Amazing. Okay, let's do it.
So let's apply the Skin Twin Featherweight Foundation in Tan 440. I like most of the coverage to be in the center of the face. Perfect. And then you just start to blend in circular motions.
Looks great. So effortless and smooth.
So next up, we're going to use the Skin Twin Creamy Concealer in Tan 1. When you're brightening under the eye, you always want to go a shade lighter. Blend this with your ring finger and press and pat. So let's take the brow pencil. I want you to comb your brows and we'll draw small hair-like strokes going upwards. And then just comb a bit. Okay, so let's now apply the Brilliant Brow Gel in dark. You want to start on the inside corner and brush up. You can see it actually adds some color and it coats the hair. Let's move on to the eyeshadow, and we're going to be using Amber out of our Luminous Lids collection, which is a limited edition for holiday. So you want to start on the outside corner of your eye, sweeping in a little bit and stopping at the inside corner. We're going to take another one of the cream shadows, soft gold. You just want to go in and dab like so, and then I just take my ring finger and press a little bit. We're all living with masks right now, so it really does help like brighten the eye. Take your lengthening mascara and start at the root of the lash on your upper lid. Perfect. Okay. That looks good. You did a really good job. So next we're going to use the cream blusher in Hibiscus. I like to do this just directly on the brush. And then I like to just kind of go onto the palm of my hand for a second and kind of blend it together a bit. So you smile and then you apply just on the apples, like a press and pat. We're going to use one of the Jellies from the holiday collection. This is one of my favorite shades. It's caramel, and it also tastes like caramel. You have these luminous lids, these dewy cheeks, this glistening lip. It's a really easy look to apply and to walk out into the world with.
All right, thanks so much.